Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're cooking on cast iron and we're going to be searing some steak. Stick around. So first thing then, let's get the pan on and let's tackle the steak. So we've got a 16-ounce steak, a rump steak, and let's get on with some seasoning. So in the shaker we've got SPG, which is salt, pepper and garlic. I'm going to sprinkle that all over the steak on both sides. Because the rub contains salt, we don't want to add it too soon to the steak, otherwise it will draw moisture out and affect the crust. The pan's been heating up now and I'm adding some beef dripping to mine. We can see the oil shimmering in the pan. That's telling us it's hot enough to put the steak in. We're not going to touch this now, we're going to leave it alone for 2 minutes. Time's up, let's flip the steak. As you can see, there's a really good crust on the steak. Now we're going to add some butter, rosemary and garlic and get basting. It's time to take the steak out and let it rest. I'm adding some crumbled Stilton to mine to let it melt while it rests.